Hi, my name is Margie Casey, and today we are at 8301 Marina Villas on Duck Key. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-level condominium, cathedral ceilings, but what makes this extra special is the privacy. If you love nature, there's trees all around you. This is the condo for you. Let's go. We are so excited to share with you this very unique penthouse at Marina Villas that is like being in a tree house. You have walls of glass that overlook beautiful natural forest where you'll see birds and wildlife. It's private and so pretty any time of the day. And it's within walking distance of multiple restaurants, a world-class spa, tennis facility, and so much more. And this is an island community that's walking, bikeable, with multiple marinas. It has everything. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and the potential is here to make it a 3rd bedroom if that's what you'd like. But what people love most about Marina Villas is its low maintenance. The building is taken care of, everything's taken care of for you. Thank you for stopping by. We're here to help you make your dream come true in the Florida Keys.